In this video, we'll walk through how to issue credit notes in a simple sale. We'll cover several common scenarios you might run into. Keep in mind most sales channels generate credit notes automatically, but there are times when you'll need to create and manage them yourself. Let's start with a common situation where the unit price was overcharged. First, go to the Sales module. Then open a sale order that has an authorized invoice. From here, navigate to the Credit Note tab. Start by adding a credit note date. Note that the credit note number gets assigned only after being authorized. You have two options here. You can manually add the overcharged products to be credited, or you can automatically pull in all invoiced or restocked products if that happened first. Then delete any items that were invoiced correctly. To account for the overcharge, enter the difference between the correct price and the overcharged price in the price field. Then enter the quantity of overcharged units. For example, if you charge $15 per unit but the actual price was $10, you'll need to enter the difference of $5. Notice that the total now shows the quantity and value that will be credited. Once that's set, click Authorize. One thing to note, this type of credit note doesn't affect your stock levels. Now, if a payment has already been applied to the invoice, you can record a refund directly from Sin7 Core. Let's click the Refund button. Select the account. Add an optional reference number. Enter the date paid. And finally, the total amount being refunded. Then click Save. If you're using Xero or QuickBooks Online, you may prefer to manage refunds through your accounting system instead. In that case, leave this section blank. Refund details will be automatically imported from your accounting system and applied to the order on the next sync. Next, let's look at a shipment where the customer received a damaged product. This same process applies when part of a shipment has been short-shipped, sent incorrectly, or returned by the customer. Let's navigate to the Credit Note tab, then select the credit date. We'll then copy the products from the invoice and remove the products that don't need to be credited. We can now enter the quantity of damaged items to be credited. We could also include a credit note memo about the damaged products. When ready, click Authorize. If the product is being returned, open the Restock tab. Add the credited products to be restocked. Set the location if it's different from the sale location. Then click Authorize. After completing the return, you can process a write-off for the damaged item. Keep in mind that if you need to apply multiple credit notes, refunds, and restocks to one sale order across separate transactions, you'll need to convert it to an advanced sale order. Now, let's cover a situation where the entire shipment was sent incorrectly. In this case, we'll copy all items from the invoice into the credit note. Let's also include the shipping charge from the invoice. Since no adjustments are needed, go ahead and click Authorize. Then move to the Restock tab. Add the products from the credit note. Select the restock location if needed. Then click Authorize. For our last scenario, let's look at applying a discount to an entire sale after the order is already completed. In the Credit Note tab, go to the Additional Charges section. Add an item and give it a description that matches the scenario. You can also add more details in the comments field. Leave the quantity as 1 since it's a single discount. Enter the total value of the discount. Make sure you have the correct tax rule and account selected. Then click Authorize. Since this credit note didn't contain any products, no inventory changes are made. For more complex workflows involving returns and refunds, we recommend using Sin7 Core Return Merchandise Authorization, which provide advanced tooling and system setup. That's it, you're now ready to handle credit notes across your simple sales.